Yo guys, what's up? Thank you for checking out the video. YouTube's been killing me on monetization recently, so we're gonna try not to wheelie for the first 30 seconds. We'll see if I can do it. I'm still sick, but heading down to the cafe right now to meet up with some of the boys. Didn't dress warm enough, it's chilly, but one of our boys, Joe, just got a Talaria XXX, and as you guys know, I've been thinking about what bike I want to get next. I want to get a bigger bike, like a Suron Talaria, something along those lines. Talaria XXX seems to be a pretty good deal. 3K, brand new. So I'm going to go check it out. All right, I think we're 30 seconds in now. Let's go. All right, got sick of waiting at that light. So we'll take this. Magurs need rebled so bad. Pressure's here and then it's there. Look, pressure's here. Dude, the pressure's all messed up. This happened to me before with the Magur brakes, and I had to rebleed them, so I'm gonna have to do it again, unfortunately. All right, pulling up to the cafe here. Yo, what's up? How we doing? Dude, who is it? What's your name again, bro? I forget. Do you ride? What up? 150 out? Nice. Oh, it's the 85. Oh, I didn't even know you had an 85. Do you still have the 150? Dude, you get new bikes every week.
That looks good. That looks really good.
There's Rye out on his CR85. Damn, that CR85 stinks. Let's catch up quick. It's so aggressive, dude. Map. It's so loud, bro. I can't even think. It is so damn loud. That thing is sweet though. Oh, no hands. It's good. Ryan's letting everyone know that I'm coming through. He's saying, attention everyone, Connor's coming through on his Razor. Bro, that shit is so loud. Stickers.
Stickers?
I got stickers now.
A set sign.
Give it to her. Here, I'll give you two. Stickers. Take those fools.
Go so odd, yeah. Oh yeah. And they look good.
There it is.
And I'm just getting used to the bike.
You didn't even cut the wire yet?
No.
I love the wheels.
I'm just getting used to it.
The wheels are nice. It is pretty small.
It is. I'm small, so when I sat on that, we put it together. I was just like,
Oh, oh yeah, you were there helping to put it together. I
I
forgot.
was the only one there.
Yeah.
You can sit on it. Only one cheese. Connor's been dying to sit on it.
Dude, I've been dying. I'm like so close to copping something.
When I first got
I believe it.
in Eco, I hit it, and no matter what it's in.
The seat is comfortable, dude. It's not that bad. People complain that it's super narrow, which it's definitely narrow, but like you can hug your legs around this. I don't know. I think I want one. Dude, it looks hella good. I like it, dude. Yeah, it feels solid.
Super solid.
They didn't even cut the brown wire yet, huh?
No.
Yeah, I don't know, guys. I might have to cop one of these.
You got a full.
More power than a Suron stock, and then just keep it stock outside of the bars, maybe. It's a little small. It's a little small.
I thought it would be.
Well, guys, the ride is taking forever to start, and I don't think I even have time to ride with everyone now, but Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should get the XXX? I really like the look of it. It's just only like a little bit bigger than my bike though is the thing. Which like I don't necessarily think it's a huge problem. Like it doesn't, my next bike doesn't have to be 20 times bigger than this one. So I don't know, for the price point and the power you get out of it stock, and I would probably just keep everything stock to be honest, unless a company sent me something. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Miles, do you think you can hand drag right here? It's a little area to hand drag. You got it. Oh! Woo! Woo! That was a clean one.
The kids might come out. He said.
Okay. Is it cutting time?
You guys got one more flashlight you can shine right here?
It's around the bike.
Oh! Oh! Woo! Let me know in the comments if you think I should get a XXX. I think it'll be pretty sweet. And it's a good price point. Do you notice the difference yet?
Not yet.
All right, we out. We got a big pack right now. How's it feel?
I feel a difference now.
You think I should get one? Guys, I don't know. I was thinking about the Sur-Ron, but this has more power than the Sur-Ron, and it's only $3 grand. That's the biggest thing. I'm not trying to drop a ton of money on a new bike. The other dirt bikes. Sweet music to my ears. Woo. What a shit show this is. All the gas bikes and then just all the electric ones. Miles! Here. Oh! Shit show. This is Philly for you guys. The bicycles, the pedal bikes, the e-bikes, and the gas bikes. Alright, I'm gonna head home. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a total cluster and I'm supposed to be home right now. So, sorry Jay that I'm not home right now. Took forever to see the Tularia XXX, but let me know in the comments guys if you think I should get a Tularia XXX. Please do. And I gotta get the hell home now.